More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man. It'll help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe.
4 books every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
Life is a journey, not a destination. This simple yet profound statement holds a wealth of wisdom that we often overlook in our fast-paced lives. We are constantly moving, always in a hurry to get somewhere, to achieve something, to reach the next milestone. But in this relentless pursuit, we often miss out on the beauty and richness of the present moment. This is a truth we often hear but rarely truly grasp. We nod in agreement when we hear it, but how often do we live by it? How often do we pause to reflect on our journey, to appreciate the steps we've taken, the experiences we've had, and the lessons we've learned along the way? We get caught up in the pursuit of goals, the chase for success, and the desire for more. We set our sights on the future, on the next big thing, and we forget to live in the present. We forget to enjoy the process, to find joy in the journey itself, and the desire for more. We are constantly bombarded with messages that tell us we need to have more, do more, be more. We are told that our worth is measured by our achievements, our possessions, our status. But this constant striving for more can leave us feeling empty and unfulfilled. We forget to appreciate the present moment, the here and now. We forget to take a deep breath, to look around, to notice the beauty that surrounds us. We forget to be grateful for what we have, for the people in our lives, for the simple pleasures that make life worth living. The beauty of the journey itself. The journey is where life happens. It's where we grow, where we learn, where we experience the full range of human emotions. It's where we find meaning and purpose. The journey is not just a means to an end. It is an end in itself. This is where the 5th purpose comes in. Enjoy the journey. This purpose is about shifting our focus from the destination to the journey. It's about finding joy and fulfillment in the process, in the steps we take, in the experiences we have along the way. This isn't about abandoning ambition or settling for mediocrity. It's not about giving up on our dreams or goals. It's about balancing our ambition with a sense of presence, with an appreciation for the here and now. It's about recognizing that the journey is just as important as the destination. It's about finding fulfillment in the process, in the ups and downs that inevitably come with life. It's about embracing the challenges, the setbacks, the failures, and the successes. It's about seeing each step as a valuable part of our journey, each experience as a lesson, each moment as an opportunity to grow and learn. In the ups and downs that inevitably come with life, life is a roller coaster full of highs and lows, twists and turns. It's unpredictable, and that's what makes it exciting. Embracing the journey means embracing the uncertainty, the surprises, the unexpected moments that make life interesting. It's about shifting our perspective from a destination-oriented mindset to a journey-focused one. It's about seeing the journey as an adventure, as a series of experiences that shape us, that help us grow, that make us who we are. It's about finding joy in the journey, in the process, in the here and now. It's about learning to savor each step, each experience, each challenge, and each victory, big or small. It's about celebrating the small wins, the progress we make, the milestones we reach. It's about finding joy in the journey, in the process, in the here and now. And each victory, big or small, every step we take, every challenge we overcome, every goal we achieve is a victory. It's important to celebrate these victories, to acknowledge our progress, to appreciate the journey we've been on. Imagine yourself on a road trip. You have a destination in mind, a place you're excited to reach. But the journey to get there is just as important, if not more so. The scenic routes, the charming towns, the unexpected detours, these are the moments that make the journey memorable. You have a destination in mind, a place you're excited to reach, but along the way there are scenic routes, charming towns, and unexpected detours. These unplanned stops, these moments of serendipity often become the most cherished memories. A place you're excited to reach, but along the way there are scenic routes, charming towns, and unexpected detours. These unplanned stops, these moments of serendipity often become the most cherished memories. They add richness and depth to our journey. They make it unique and special. But along the way there are scenic routes, charming towns, and unexpected detours. These unplanned stops, these moments of serendipity, often become the most cherished memories. They add richness and depth to our journey. They make it unique and special. Often become the most cherished memories. These moments of connection, of discovery, of joy, these are the moments that make life worth living. They remind us of the beauty and wonder of the world, of the richness and diversity of human experience. This is the essence of the fifth purpose. It's about embracing the entire experience, not just the end goal. It's about finding joy in the journey, in the process, in the here and now. It's about recognizing that life is a gift, and the journey itself is a precious part of that gift. It's about embracing the entire experience, the highs and lows, the successes and failures, the joys and sorrows. It's about finding meaning and purpose in the journey, in the process, in the here and now. Not just the end goal. It's about finding joy in the present moment, regardless of the circumstances. It's about recognizing that life is a journey, not a destination, and that the journey itself is a precious part of that gift. It's about finding joy in the present moment, regardless of the circumstances. It's about recognizing that life is a gift, and the journey itself is a precious part of that gift. It's about embracing the journey, finding joy in the process, and living fully in the here and now. It's about recognizing that life is a gift, and the journey itself is a precious part of that gift. It's about embracing the journey, finding joy in the process, and living fully in the here and now. It's about appreciating the beauty and richness of the present moment, and finding meaning and purpose in the journey itself. And the journey itself is a precious part of that gift. So as you go through life, remember to enjoy the journey, embrace the process, find joy in the present moment, and appreciate the beauty and richness of the journey itself. This is the essence of the fifth purpose. Challenges are an inevitable part of life. They test our resolve, push us out of our comfort zones, and force us to grow. How we approach these challenges, however, can make all the difference. This is where the power of a positive mindset comes into play. Maintaining a positive outlook doesn't mean ignoring difficulties or pretending they don't exist. It's about choosing to focus on the good, even amidst adversity. It's about finding the silver lining in every cloud, the lesson in every setback. When you face a challenge with a positive mindset, you're more likely to see it as an opportunity for growth rather than an insurmountable obstacle. You're more likely to persevere, to find creative solutions, and to emerge from the experience stronger and wiser. A positive mindset is like a muscle that needs to be exercised regularly. It requires conscious effort, especially during difficult times. But the more you practice positivity, the easier it becomes, and the rewards are immeasurable. Joy is not a destination. It's a way of traveling. It's a mindset, a perspective that we carry with us as we navigate through life. Often we get so caught up in our goals and aspirations that we forget to appreciate the journey itself. It's about finding moments of happiness and gratitude in the everyday, the ordinary, and the unexpected. These moments can be as simple as a shared laugh with friends, a warm hug from a loved one, or the feeling of grass under your feet. It's about appreciating the simple things, the small victories, and the beauty that surrounds us. The vibrant colors of a sunset, the innocent smile of a child, or the delicate petals of a flower can all bring immense joy if we take the time to notice them. Start by cultivating an attitude of gratitude. This means consciously acknowledging the good things in your life, no matter how insignificant they may seem. Writing them down in a journal or simply reflecting on them can make a big difference. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, no matter how small. It could be the peaceful moments at dawn, the aroma of your morning coffee, or the comfort of your favorite chair. This could be the warmth of the sun on your face, a delicious meal that tantalizes your taste buds, or the sound of birds chirping in the morning. A kind word from a friend, a compliment that brightens your day, or a gesture of kindness from a stranger, or simply the gift of another day. Each new day is an opportunity to experience joy, to make new memories, and to cherish the moments that make life special. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's spending time in nature, pursuing a hobby, listening to music, or creating art. These activities can provide a sense of fulfillment and happiness that enriches your life, or connecting with loved ones. Building and maintaining relationships with family and friends can be a significant source of joy and support. Make time for these activities, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Reading a book, playing an instrument, or simply sitting in a cozy corner can provide a much-needed break from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Remember, joy is not something that happens to you, it's something you choose. It's a conscious decision to focus on the positive aspects of life, to seek out the good, and to embrace the moments that bring happiness. It's a conscious decision to focus on the good, to find beauty in the everyday, and to appreciate the journey, even when the road is bumpy. Life is full of challenges, but it's also full of opportunities for joy and growth. To find beauty in the everyday, to savor the quiet moments, and to appreciate the hustle and bustle of city life from a new perspective. And to appreciate the journey even when the road is bumpy. Embrace the twists and turns, the ups and downs, and remember that each step you take is a part of your unique story. Section 4, Celebrating Small Victories, Embracing Gratitude. In the grand scheme of life, it's easy to get caught up in chasing big goals and overlooking the smaller achievements along the way. We often set our sights on the horizon, aiming for those monumental milestones that we believe will bring us ultimate happiness and fulfillment. However, in doing so, we sometimes forget to appreciate the journey itself, the little moments that make up our daily lives. But celebrating these small victories is crucial for maintaining motivation and enjoying the journey. Each small win serves as a stepping stone, a reminder that progress is being made, no matter how incremental it may seem. These moments of triumph, no matter how minor, can provide a much-needed boost to our morale and keep us moving forward. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a testament to your effort and progress. It's a sign that you're on the right path, that your hard work is paying off. These small steps accumulate over time, leading to significant achievements that might have seemed impossible at the outset. Acknowledge these wins, no matter how insignificant they may seem. Whether it's completing a task you've been putting off, learning a new skill, or simply making it through a tough day, these are all victories worth celebrating. They are proof of your resilience and determination. Did you finally finish that book you've been meaning to read? That's a victory. It shows your commitment to personal growth and your ability to follow through on your goals. Each page turned is a step towards expanding your knowledge and understanding. Did you cook a delicious meal from scratch? That's another win. It demonstrates your creativity, your ability to nourish yourself and perhaps others, and your willingness to try new things. Each ingredient combined is a testament to your effort and care. Did you stick to your workout routine all week? That's a significant achievement. It shows your dedication to your health and well-being, your ability to set and maintain healthy habits. Each drop of sweat is a symbol of your perseverance and strength. These are all reasons to celebrate. Each of these small victories contributes to a larger sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. They remind us that progress is being made, even if it's not always immediately visible. Coupled with celebrating small victories is the practice of gratitude. Gratitude helps us to recognize and appreciate the positive aspects of our lives, no matter how small. It shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of contentment and joy. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that allows us to appreciate what we have rather than dwelling on what we lack. It helps us to see the beauty in the everyday moments and to cherish the people and experiences that enrich our lives. It shifts our focus from scarcity to abundance and fosters a sense of contentment and joy. By regularly practicing gratitude, we train our minds to look for the good in every situation, which can lead to a more positive and fulfilling life. Take time each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. This could be as simple as appreciating a beautiful sunrise, a kind gesture from a friend, or a personal achievement. Writing these moments down can help to reinforce their significance and keep them at the forefront of your mind. This could be your health, your loved ones, your talents, your opportunities, or simply the fact that you're alive. Each of these is a gift, a reason to be thankful. By focusing on these positive aspects, we can cultivate a more optimistic and resilient mindset. The more you focus on gratitude, the more you'll find to be grateful for. It creates a positive feedback loop, where the act of being grateful leads to more things to be grateful for. This practice can transform your outlook on life, making each day a little brighter and more meaningful. Section 5. Navigating challenges with resilience. Challenges are an inevitable part of life. They test our strength, our resolve, and our ability to bounce back. But it's in these moments of adversity that we discover our true resilience. Resilience is not about avoiding challenges or pretending they don't exist. It's about facing them head-on, learning from them, and emerging from the experience stronger and wiser. It's about viewing setbacks as opportunities for growth, not as defeats. When you encounter a challenge, don't allow yourself to be defined by it. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I use this experience to grow? What positive actions can I take to move forward? Remember, every challenge you overcome makes you more resilient, more adaptable, and more equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. Embrace the challenges, learn from them, and emerge stronger on the other side.
Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment, so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they head